Again, welcome to Advanced Ethical Hacking. I want to talk a little bit about what the course is going to cover. So first of all, we can't do much of anything without tools. And the tools that we're going to be covering in part are going to be things like Metasploit. We're going to look at Dratus as a framework for storing information so that we can keep all of our notes and all of our scan results and everything else in one place. We're going to be looking at the Social Engineering Toolkit, as well as a number of browser plugins. There are a fairly large number of browser plugins that are really helpful in doing this type of work. We're going to be looking at different tactics, like writing scripts, including writing scripts that interface with Metasploit that you can use from inside Metasploit. We're going to be looking at web application testing, so SQL injection and cross-site scripting and that sort of thing. We're going to be looking a little bit at social engineering, primarily on the technical side, as opposed to making fake phone calls and pretending to be somebody in order to get a password. What we're going to be looking at is using some technical tools in order to do some injection attacks via email and websites. So we're going to be looking at that a little bit as well. We're going to be looking at the management of data. So you're going to be doing a lot of things that actually yield a lot of results. So you're going to have a lot of information lying around. And managing that data and managing all of your notes and all of the information that you've gotten can be really challenging, particularly if you're doing an entire network as opposed to a couple of sites, or maybe you're even doing multiple networks. Being able to manage that is really important, so you know what you've done, what you have yet to do, and where you've gone with the different hosts that you've actually discovered may be vulnerable to different things. So being able to keep track of that is really important. And so, as I said, we're going to look at Dratus and Metasploit and the ability within Nexpose, as an example, or Nessus, to store some of that data as well.